I personally started doing the wire and beads in 2002. Around 2009, I started to sell my own products. That's when I got the idea of starting my own business. I was in DUT studying operations management. So I started selling around the campus, key holders, and I met up with a vendor outside the school gates, negotiated with him to give him some of my products to sell. Most of the products that I make are key holders and animals, sculptures like your big five, elephant, rhino, and so on. I use a 16 gauge galvanized wire to make the shape of the product. And there's a 0.7 galvanized wire which I use to insert the beads. And from there I then craft it on the frame to take out a finished product. The slogan of the company is bringing love and happiness through art. So through our art, we strive to bring happiness to our customers. And by purchasing our products and giving it to someone else as a gift, which is where the love comes from, bringing love through art.